Bye, have a good day. I'll see you after school because today's Friday, right? All right. Good morning. Good morning, boys. Good morning, good morning. Where's bye? Hi. Good morning. How are you? Oh, I got picked up. Give me 5. Give me 1. Are you guys ready?
Yes!
Today is the day we are going to discuss division, but we're going to discuss division with what you've been waiting for. What have you patiently been waiting for? Remainders. Now, for some of you, you just went, oh, she substituted. My goal by the time we finish our discussions is to say, you've got this. Say, I've got this.
I got this.
You have already been doing division. Sometimes you've been doing division and you didn't even know it. You are always going to do division. That is one of the things that you will do continuously through your life. You are going to divide. When you go to Cimarron next year and you are in Mrs. Tate's class or Mrs. Knowles' class, and they say, all right, 6th graders, it's time to divide. I do not want you to do this. I want you to do this. Say, I've got this.
I've got this.
Because you've got this. We have been doing division, and all we're going to do today is stretch it out and build upon what we've already been doing.
2. I'm just going to cross it off and do this. 0. I would like zeros. 3.
First one. 3.
That's how I say 8. Okay.
But before we start, we have to have a family meeting. Okay, lean in. Are you going to get every single problem correct every single time?
No.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes. Is it okay to make mistakes while we're doing this? Yes. Okay, sit back up. What do we learn best from? From our what?
Mistakes.
From your mistakes. Look at the pencils on your desk. Give 2 ends. What's one end, Broden?
The eraser.
What's the other end, Carly? The lead. Which one are you going to use if you make a mistake?
Eraser.
The eraser. Very good.
Somebody want to stop. Ready, set, go.
So then we take this 2 and we look. Will 2 divide into 1? No. But will it divide into 12? Yes. So that's our division step. How many times will it divide in? Altogether, you know this. 6. Then what is our next step? Multiply. So what's 6 times 2?
12.
Our next step is subtract. And then we look to see if there's anything to bring down. Is there?
No.
And our answer is 0, so we are done. All right?
It's 380. So, yeah, so we can't do it one more time. Yeah, you can. So it'll be 4 minus 380, and then 390.
All right. Who thinks they can walk me through this problem from start to finish? What is the first thing we have to do before we add a shadow to our sun tracker?
We have to have this facing north.
What is that called when we get our compass facing north?
It means that it's calibrated.
We have to calibrate it so that it's facing north. Okay, so the 4 of you put your heads together and figure out how to make our compass face north.
Almost. Yeah.
Okay, so today we're going to add another shadow to our sun tracker. We've done 9,
10, 11, and 12, and then we had to take a break at 1 because you guys were at lunch and recess. So now we want to add our 2 o'clock shadow tracker, and then maybe we can even predict where 1 o'clock might have been. But what's the first thing we have to do before we add our shadow? We have to figure out where north is. So let's calibrate our sun tracker, see if we can get it facing north. Okay, once you get it facing north, everybody hands off and lean back. What type of shadow is our golf tee making with our baseline, the west to east line?
It's noon.
It's noon? What kind of angle is it?
It's right.
It's a right angle, very good. So what's going to happen if we come out the next time?
It'll be an obtuse.
It'll be an obtuse angle. So what were the angles like before you came out here?
Acute.
They were acute angles. Very good. They're getting bigger. Excellent. Okay, very good.
Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. 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 See you tomorrow. Well, that's excitement. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. See you tomorrow.